Hi guys, I am Doc Shing and welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for dropping by into this channel because this is a relatively new channel. So, salamat kaayo sa inyong pagbisita sa akong channel. If you're new here, please do click the subscribe button and then also click the bell button so that you would be notified of new videos that I will be uploading into this channel. So, our topic for today, just a short video, just a short instructional video on how to wear a surgical mask. Okay, this is a surgical mask, no? Karon kay gamit ba gyud kaayo ang mask tungod kay naay mga establishments nga no face mask, no entry sila. Kini tungod lagi kaning sakit nga COVID-19 nga caused by a bacteria nga maglupad-lupad sa hangin, dili nato makita. So, importante gyud ang face mask. Okay? So, how to wear a face mask? So, before that, let us identify the parts of the face mask. So, this is the colored blue side. Makita niyo mo na siya pleats na going down. Na siya tulo ka pleats, no? And then, this is the white side. White na siya. Okay? Compare with the blue side. So, this is the white side. And then, you would observe na ang iyang pleats is going up. It has pleats that are going up, no? Pataas. Okay? And then, these are the ear loops. Ring duha ka buo. Okay. Just a backgrounder, no? Nganong gamit yun kayo ang mask for protection against bacteria that are airborne or naglupad-lupad sa hangin. Kani tungod kay nani siya tulo ka layers, no? This is the outside layer, the blue part or the colored layer. Ang kani siya water resistant na siya. And then actually na ay second layer ani nga dili nato makita which serves as the barrier. No mo na siya ang mobara sa mga kagaw nga para dili matong malanghap. And then the third layer is the white part which is also water resistant kay para pod ang laway nato dili siya ang kung namang gani bacteria sa atong laway dili pod magawas. Actually the second layer or the middle layer blocks bacteria both ways. Okay, and then you would also observe that nani siya murag gahi diri nga part. Sometimes it's aluminum, sometimes it's metal. Kay para ma-mold nimo siya sa imong ilong. Okay, so mag-demonstrate na ta on how to wear it. So, pag wear nimo dapat ang white side is facing you. Ang blue side dapat naa sa gawas. Mao gyud na siya sakto. And then imo ibutang diri. And then, attach the ear loops to both your ears. And then, i-mold nimo ang imong ilong. I-mold nimo ang mask using the mold. Usay plastic siya or metal or aluminum. And then, i-adjust nimo ang mask such that makover ang imong nose, mouth, and the chin. So, mao na siya sakto nga pagsuot sa mask. And then, if you take it off, naapod siya sakto nga pamaagi. No? By the way, guys, common kayo sa ato, makita nato even in the hospital. No? Sometimes, we medical workers commit this mistake. Anang iana bitaw, isangit diri, dili na siya mao. Kay meaning ana, ang kagaw nga gikan sa imong laway, or sa imong bakba, na magyud tay kagaw din na, imo ra pud gyapon gipahid sa imong chin. Diba? So, the right way of taking off your surgical mask is, first, basta isa lang sa ka-side, depende asa nga side, imo i-detach, and then, like that. Okay? Kay para, unsa magani mga kagaw na sa white part, nagikan sa imo, dili gyapon, nimo mapasa ra sa imo. Mabalik ra gyapon. Okay? So, just a very short video to remind everyone on how to wear the surgical mask properly because we really need it during this time of the COVID-19 pandemic. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. If this video was very helpful to you, please click like and also please share it to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell button so that you would be notified of new videos that are uploaded to my channel. So take care, guys, and have a nice day.